Hello, welcome to Michelle Rose Inner Wisdom Blue Moon Special. Tonight we're going to be focusing on our inner wisdom. Over this blue moon, it's been an equinox. It's been Halloween, which is the Samhain, and it has been the Beltane. And the Beltane is actually in the southern hemisphere at this time of year. And that brings balance. It brings death and rebirth of the Samhain, of Halloween, and it also brings the balance of love and rebirthing into a new. And so tonight we're going to be focusing on that inner wisdom that is new within you. So I want you to get comfortable, pop some little earphones in, and I'll read you through a beautiful guided meditation that will then take you onto a sound journey as you repeat 3 simple little words. Taking some deep breaths slowly into the belly, relaxing yourself and finding your inner peace. Imagine that you are deep in the forest, sitting on a gigantic toadstool. It is red and white. It is very comfortable. You look around and you see you're not the only one sitting on a toadstool. There are fairies, pixies, elves, toads, and all sorts of different creatures from the forest. What else can you see? You are sitting in a circle. Faces are all beautiful and looking at you as though they are you. The old and the new, the willow tree is right in the middle. This is not an ordinary tree. This is a wise willow tree, the oldest tree in the forest. Wise Willow loves to teach all creatures of the forest, and today you are a very special guest. Today's lesson is about believing the inner wisdom inside of you. Wise Willow tells you to think of it as a star inside your mind. To make your star shine brightly, you need to listen to your inner wisdom and trust it. Wise Willow tells you not to be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn, and learning new things makes you shine very brightly. Wise Willow asks you to think of your mentor. The mentor asks a question. See yourself putting your hand up and answering it correctly. You feel happy, clever, and very confident. What else do you feel now? Your star shines very brightly and fills your mind with beautiful, bright light. Sometimes you may not hear your inner wisdom. You may not know the answer, and you may at times get it wrong. If you listen to the correct answer, your star shines ever so brightly, just as bright as your mind fills with light. If you get upset with yourself for not answering the questions properly, your star will not have the chance to shine so brightly. So don't be so hard on yourself. Willow asks you to repeat some special words to help you shine as bright as you can. Repeat to yourself, I am a bright star. I am a bright star. I am a bright star. As you say these words, the light radiates from you and all the other forest creatures. It is a wonderful sight, and the forest lights up, and you are all bathed in this beautiful light filled with wonder and promise. As you sit now in your radiating bright light, Spend some time listening and feeling your friends and hearing the wise Willow repeat constantly as you listen, I am a bright star. 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 Bringing yourself into awareness of your body, knowing that any and all things that you go through, positive and negative, are all for your expansion, learning, and gifts. I am a bright star. 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 Feeling the body pulsate, bringing yourself back into the here and now, thinking about what you just experienced and all that you just witnessed. I love you. Happy blue moon equinox season, people.